Because wooden flooring is subject to different levels of physiological stress and strain on a daily basis, we'd like to take a moment and answer the question, which surface finish is best for my floor? We'll explain about the different cleaning and maintenance of various surface finishes to help you make the correct choice for your needs. Firstly, we'll take a look at a lacquered varnished floor surface. These create a hard and durable surface which is completely closed. Let's take a look at the surface quality over time. The film layer protects the floor from normal wear and tear. This film layer does, however, wear off over time, and scratches, stains and cracks become apparent. These can allow moisture to seep through the damage and penetrate into the flooring. The finish as such is not only no longer appealing to the eye, but does not protect the floor itself. At this stage, extensive renovation work is required to bring the surface quality back to 100%. Thereafter, the cycle repeats itself. Once again, the floor will have to be sanded back completely and a new coat of lacquer varnish applied. Let's now compare this with a traditional oil-based finish. The wood's color spectrum is accentuated and it retains its natural appearance. The oil does not form a hard film but penetrates into the wood surface. Although the surface wears down more rapidly in comparison to a lacquer varnish, it can be maintained by regular cleaning and re-oiling without the need for sanding. This maintenance and the frequency thereof should, however, not be underestimated. Osmo created a hard wax oil to combine the advantages of both systems. The combination of oils and waxes not only protect the wood from within, but also create a dirt-repellent surface. The floor surface wears down much slower than a traditional oil-based finish. This dramatically reduces the frequency of maintenance whilst retaining the possibility to renovate the finish without the need for sanding. The surface has an optimal level of long-term protection, whilst the original haptics, brilliance and luminosity of the floor remain unmistakable and unchanged. To recap, using a lacquer varnish means that you will have to live with a worn-out look for longer periods of time before having to renovate the surface extensively by sanding and refinishing the floor. The effort needed to renovate traditional oil-based finish is less than that of a lacquer or varnish, but due to the quick breakdown of the surface, require frequent re-oiling. The Osmo Hard Wax Oil combines the advantages of oil with the durability of a lacquer or varnish, optimizing ease of application and care with long-term protection, making it the ideal finish to protect wooden flooring whilst retaining the natural character. Because time is money, the advantages of hard wax oils become rapidly apparent, especially in high-frequency areas where the surface can easily be re-oiled and it's once again ready for use after only a couple of hours. Hard wax oil from Osmo, the smarter natural option for finishing your wooden floor. Further information on this as well as many other products can be found on www.osmo.com.